In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Twitter thread. A thread is simply a series of connected posts that tell a story or explain something step by step. It's perfect when one short post isn't enough for everything you want to say. Let's walk through the process from start to finish, so you can publish a clean, well-structured thread on X, formerly known as Twitter. First, open your browser or the X app and head to your home dashboard. This is the main feed you see when you log in, where posts from people you follow appear. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to post from. On the home dashboard, look for the Post Composer field. This is the box that usually says something like, "What's happening?" Click or tap inside that field to start writing your first post. Take a moment to craft a strong opening. This first post should give people a clear idea of what your thread is about and make them want to read more. You can introduce the topic, hint at what you'll cover, or set up a problem you're going to solve. Once your first post looks good, don't hit post yet. Instead, look at the bottom right corner of the composer. You'll see a small plus icon next to the post button. Click or tap that plus icon. This adds a second post directly underneath your first one and officially turns what you're writing into a thread. Now type your second thread post. Use this space to build on the idea you introduced in the first post. You might explain your first key point, share context, or continue the story. Keep it clear and focused, and try to make each post understandable on its own, in case someone only sees that part of the thread. When you're ready to keep going, look again to the bottom right and click the plus icon one more time. This adds a third post to your thread. Type your third thread post. Here you can continue your explanation, add details, or move toward a conclusion. Make sure it flows logically from what you wrote before. When all your posts are ready and you've quickly checked for any typos, look for the button that says Post All. Click or tap Post All to publish the entire thread at once. Your connected post will appear in order, making it easy for your followers to read through from start to finish.